Hey guys, welcome back to the series of Django. As we are doing the hospital management system using the Django framework, we have done importing and managing the static files. In this tutorial, we are going to know how to create a super user and make groups for the users. So let's get started. Alright, firstly we need to create a super user. But who is a super user? Basically, for every website we will have a admin, also called as administrator, who can handle all the operations and data. That administrator is also called as super user in Django. While creating a new path for homepage, have you noticed a path in urls.py which is admin slash comma admin.site.urls? Yes, that's the one. Django gives an admin page in which admin can log in and make some operations manually. And for that to be activated, we need to run a command in command prompt. For that, open your command prompt in your project folder, and now the command is python manage.py migrate. And the moment you say enter, it will apply some migrations like admin, auth, and some more. What are these? These are the default models we get on creating the project. So what are models then? Like tables in other query languages such as SQL, Django uses object relational model, also called as ORM, in which we create models and we do not write any queries like create or insert or whatever. We just write them using the Python classes. So to apply these models for our project, we make migrations. If a new model is created other than the defaults, after creating, we go to the command prompt and enter python manage.py make migrations. This will first create the model, and then to apply for the project, we need to enter python manage.py migrate. So as of now, we already have the default model admin. We need to use that now. And now we need to create the super user. That means we need to create the credentials for the admin. For that, enter the python manage.py create super user. The moment you say enter, it prompts you to enter the username. I'll give the username as admin. You can give any random email too. In my case, I'll give admin@gmail.com. And now it is asking for the password. I'll enter the password as admin itself. So it is asking for confirm the password, and I'll say admin. It shows for a warning. Enter yes, and it says super user created successfully. And now start your server and open the browser, paste the link. And now it is giving us the home page. But how will we go to the admin page? If you remember, in urls.py we have a URL as admin slash, and yes, that's the URL. Go ahead and add this URL for the IP address, that is slash admin. And yes, we have got the admin's login page. Go ahead and enter the credentials of the admin, that is admin, password is also admin, and click on login. You can see a block with name auth. In that we have users and groups. Who are users? Everyone who created the account in the website is a user. And then what is group? You can create some users and define the custom methods for the user. In our case, the users will be the patient, doctor, receptionist, and also the admin too. Now click on add to create the group. Enter the group name first. I'll take the patient. As of now, I will not give any permissions for the patient. We will give them programmatically. And now I'll click on save. Similarly for the doctor and receptionist. And while doing for the admin, give all the permissions. So for that, I'll press choose all and then click on save. And yes, we have created our groups too. That's it for now. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications from my channel. Thanks for watching.